When it comes to social media, everyone uses it, but how do you know if you're getting yourself in trouble? All right, we have an expert here, Alexandria Serra. She is an attorney, and she's going to talk about when you cross the line when it comes to social media. First and foremost, let's talk about copyright laws and how you can get in trouble like that.
Yeah, totally. So anytime you create a content, as long as it's original, let's say an Instagram post or take a photo, you immediately get copyright protection. You own that. It's your intellectual property. So what's happening is people are taking others' posts, reposting them, sharing them, changing them without permission. And you could actually get in trouble for that, right? You could get sued for it. So my biggest advice to businesses and people is create your own content or ask permission. I just send an Instagram message to whoever owns the content so I have it in writing before I repost.
It's very easy to do, to just go paste and copy and put it on our website or on our Instagram, but you can get in trouble, so you certainly have to be careful with that, especially if you're a business.
Absolutely.
Okay, the next one, and here's a big one, cyberbullying. It's not just for kids. It doesn't just happen to kids. It happens to adults, but you can cross the line and actually get in trouble where you're actually breaking the law. Tell me about that.
Yeah, so at the core of bullying, whether you're a kid or an adult, it's harassment, right? And that's a criminal offense in Texas. It's a misdemeanor criminal offense. So if you start sending tons of messages, calling people a bunch of times, posting on social media, harassing content that annoys, alarms, injures, the list goes on, you could have a police report filed against you for harassment and end up in court. So be really careful about what you post.
So you have to, if someone tells you, do not contact me again, do not reach out to me.
Do not contact them again. Seriously.
Because they can press charges, they can file charges for harassment, they can go out to law enforcement, and you can get yourself in trouble. So think before you type. Which brings us to the next one, which is defamation. We all get mad at someone, and it's very easy to get on the keyboard and go crazy with what we want to say. What do you think about that?
Okay, so defamation is on the civil side. It's not the criminal side. And it's when you publicly post somebody. So this comes up when you break up and you just want to blast your ex on social media, right? And if you lie, you make a false statement, and you do it either intentionally, on purpose, or negligently, then you could be sued for defamation. Now, the person who is being defamed has to ask you to remove it, and you don't remove that content. But still, we're talking about the possibility of going to court, spending thousands of dollars and hiring a lawyer. It's not worth it. It's absolutely not worth it.
So use it for work, use it for fun, but think before you type if you're upset or you're going to say something that could hurt someone else.
Absolutely.
Of course, viewers have more questions. We're going to have Alex's information on our website. Head on over to ktsm.com. As always, click on the Studio 9 tab. Thanks so much, Alex.
Thank you.